Hey guys, Shawn here with Uneek Sign and Design, and today we're going to watch Jeremy install some dirt bike graphics. He's already started because I didn't let him know I was making this video, but let's let this roll. Alright guys, we just got that dirt bike done. So I'll tell you a little bit about it now that Newman's not rushing to wrap it. But it's a 2007 Yamaha WR450 with a factory style kit on it. This will be for sale down at Rocky's Auto Sales. If you're looking for a new dirt bike, go pick it up. We'll talk to you guys later.